want to see it, man. The tag. See, remember my man here? This is my man 392, Kato. Remember his shit was blacked out compared to mine? Now look at it. Looks pretty good. Front windshield tint. 392 on deck. Got the B on the side.
Down right now. It's the key for it.
Let me see.
Buttons.
Okay. So if you got problems with the yeah, it don't even look like it. That shit looks straightforward.
Right, you gotta drill a hole, run it through the trunk.
Where you gotta drill a hole at? Okay.
So you take this off.
Okay. Pop this plastic. Oh shit, it come off like that?
Yeah, that's easy.
Fucking Dodge, man.
See it?
Yeah.
Hole right there.
Okay, drill a little hole. And this the wire?
Yeah, that's the wire.
Okay.
So we got the wire. Then I run it through my seat.
Is it go to the cigarette lighter or something?
Yeah, the cigarette lighter. I pull this down.
Yeah.
And I just tuck it through.
Oh shit. That's a clean ass setup.
Tuck it through.
That shit is clean.
You can't even really see it right now because it's tucked.
Yeah. You can't see it at all because it's so tucked.
So tucked, yeah.
See that? Got it going through the back and then right into your cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
What's his name said that he got his no, it wasn't Santana, it was Garrett with the wide body.
Oh, he has his in his console.
He got his what?
Console.
Oh, a center console?
Yeah, he
okay,
has
that makes
plug in
sense.
there, that's why. I thought about doing that too. It's out the way.
Yeah.
You don't gotta always unplug it.
But ain't it because our ports are different because only one works when the car is on or something like that, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. The car got to be either in run mode or on.
Yeah.
It should work.
In order for his to work. Whereas with you, your car can be off and you can turn it.
Nah. The same way, mine same way.
Gotcha.
The car got to be on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Disclaimer: I don't run either.
That's right.
You know, photography purposes.
That's right, just for photography purposes.
It's a clean little setup.
Damn.
Clean little setup.
Damn, I like that shit.
Yeah. Might as well go ahead and get you one.
Hell yeah. I've been seeing a lot of people with them. Like I said, I saw Santana Scat. I saw Garrett.
Yeah. A lot of people got them. A lot of people been hitting me too.
They get them from you?
They've been running out quick. I'm like, man, I gotta wait another order from them.
How much you selling for?
150.
That ain't bad at all.
Well, I get them from Hard Charger.
Hard Charger?
Yeah.
Okay. He got his shut up too?
Yeah, he gets them there.
Okay.
He know a guy in Baltimore to get them. So he'll send me a few.
Yeah.
Get it rolling.
Damn. So you can do this with the car on or off, right?
Just on. Just
Okay.
either on or in run mode.
Got to be in
It
run.
has to be like, you know, so that you can get power to the little cigarettes.
Gotcha. But it can't be completely off. It's got to be in run or
Yeah.
something. Okay. Okay.
Driving?
Yeah.
Like you driving?
Yeah.
That'll tell you it's down.
Which one?
When
The
it's
red?
when it's solid red,
Yeah.
now it's up.
Gotcha.
So if you ever drive and you have it down, you don't know.
Yeah,
look
you
at that.
forget.
Yeah.
Fuck around, get pulled over for that.
Fact.
That'd be a bad deal. You get pulled over in broad daylight for having that shit on. That's your ass. Cause you forgot. That's your ass.
Yeah.
Look at that shit. You can't see nothing. No tags, no cops, no problems.
Sure.
I like that shit. How y'all think that would look on there? Protect your tags.
Or even if you get like a little tent cover.
Yeah.
It'll do. But
Yeah, the tent cover is good. But if they get up on you, that's your ass though.
Yeah.
That tent cover is good, but I mean it ain't perfect.
It ain't perfect.
Not like that.
Oh yeah. Completely black it out.
Not like that. I got my wicker bill on the way. I got mine from King Wrap. So instead of it being clear like this, it's not even this clear piece. It doesn't even have the clear piece. It's this, but it's a little bit higher and it's all black. And it's like a matte. It's matte. So it'll blend right in with that. Yeah. And it's an inch higher than this because it specifically says Hellcat inch. It's like an inch higher or whatever than the normal ones. It's all black. It doesn't have this middle piece, and it's matte black. And that's what I wanted. And then I'm gonna get a rear diffuser too.
You gonna lower it?
If I do, it'll be later on. I'm not interested in lowering it right now, because once I do the wicker build and then probably the diffuser, I'll probably be done with the outside for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start getting under the hood of it. I'm gonna go ahead and chop the pipes because I haven't even done that yet.
Oh, you still stop?
Yeah, I'm still stopped.
It didn't even sound like it.
Exactly. That's what I was talking to one of my dudes today. Well, not one of my dudes, but a dude that I met today. He got a 20 SCAT PACK, and he was like, the 20s sound different than every other, than the 19s and everything before it. And I think that's true, because people have asked me like, is your shit stock? And I'm like, yeah, stock. I haven't touched the pipes, especially when I get on it. Yeah, when I get on it, you can definitely hear it a lot louder. And then when I do a complete cold start, you can definitely hear that too. But I mean, it's stock right now, but I'm going to cut the pipes.
You ever done it side by side?
What you mean?
Like, cut, because this is straight pipe.
Oh, straight pipe?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Straight pipe from the mid buckle to the resonator.
Gotcha.
I don't got no regs, nothing. I want to take my cats out.
Damn.
I don't want to void my warranty though.
Yeah.
So,
damn. You got tips on there too?
yeah, 5 inch.
5 inch?
Dang.
That looks good. Yeah, stock. I haven't touched nothing. I got a catch can and I got a cold air intake on the way. But other than that, it's stock. But I got to get some sound for sure.
Start mine, start yours?
Hell yeah. All right, hold on, let me do mine first, because once you start yours, your shit gonna be loud. All right. This is stock. Yeah. Yeah. Side markers, man. Yeah, I got the LEDs. LED integrations. Yeah. Yeah, LED integrations.
Yeah, I've been working so much. I ain't even really did shit too.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I had the front lip, but the shit came off.
I saw that, man, and that shit came from where'd it come from?
Next Gen Speed.
Next Gen Speed. You told me about that, and I think it was the next day when that shit came off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I spoke of it.
I was literally about to order me